Hey there, and welcome to Classkick. If you'd like to streamline classroom setup even further, Classkick offers additional rostering and sign-in options depending on your Classkick plan. Individual pro teachers, pro schools, and pro districts can roster classes through Google Classroom. To use this feature, you'll first need to sign into Classkick with your Google account. If you aren't signed in with Google, you'll see a prompt to do so. Once you're signed in, connect your Google Classroom account and grant Classkick permission to access your classes. From there, you can import a single class or all of your Google Classroom rosters. Imported classes are marked with the Google Classroom icon, and you can refresh your roster anytime using the Sync button to keep everything up to date. Pro districts can also roster through Clever or Classlink. If your district would like to use one of these integrations, open the Help and Resources menu under your name and submit a request through the Classkick Help Center. Under What do you need help with? Choose Rostering Support, and our team will work with your district to get the integration set up. Learn more at classkick.com.